everybody, welcome back to a new vlog. Today I think what I'm going to do is I am just going to clean because I have been extremely busy and I haven't really been doing much of anything, and so I need to clean. I realized how dirty my house is after I went grocery shopping. So I have been working in the office and I have been working over the weekend, and usually I work from home. I'll make sure that the kitchen's clean before night, and I'll make sure, you know, whenever I wake up, we like do breakfast and stuff, and so the kitchen is kind of like unorganized. I wouldn't say dirty, like grimy. It just has a whole bunch of stuff everywhere. So it's like the stove isn't dirty, but there's stuff on the stove. You know what I'm saying? Like the stove hasn't been used, but there's stuff on the stove. There are, of course, dishes, because there's always dishes, and that's actually dishes from this morning. And there's actually new dishes in there too. I went and found some cups and stuff like that I want to clean. I am going to start making a salad at the house that's going to last like maybe 1 or 2 days, and so that I can bring stuff to the office whenever I go to the office, because I'm on a budget. And I'm telling myself that I'm not going to be spending money the way I have been spending. I also bought a coffee machine. So, good thing is that it was on sale. Like, not no discount, but there was like, they basically gave it to me for free, okay? So it is, let me go ahead and flip the screen. All right, so it is a Hamilton Beach Flex Brew single serve coffee machine. These usually run in between $90 and $109. I got it for $23. Yeah, $22.95. So plus tax, that's how much I got it for. So we're going to be doing an unboxing of this. I did get some coffees. This is from HEB. I got the caramel, the cinnamon vanilla nut, and the snicker nut cookies. All three of them I have never tried before. And then we're going to be cleaning the kitchen because, guys, it's like stuff is just everywhere. My daughter started melting the wax, the candles that, you know, still had wax in them, and made them into wax melts. And so we are putting them inside of my wax machine thing, and that's what she's been doing with her other ones, but not the brand new ones, but the ones that are like, you know, they still have like half or less in there. So there's that. This is the oven. So the oven's not dirty. I mean, the stove is not dirty, but there's stuff on the stove. I went grocery shopping, and then we have pots and pans. I need to put these up. They put these away, and then that one had like some kind of like grease grime on it, and so I left it out, but it's cleaned, but it's not my clean. So these are the dishes that happened this morning, and then those little cups right there are the new ones that I got from Dollar Tree. They actually have like a little straw, and I gotta put these up. So this is the kitchen. The floor it just needs to be like cleaned a little. I want to replace these. What is that? OMG. So clean the doors too. So I got this at Ross like years ago. I mean, years, like you could tell that it's like been here for a while. Like it's like it has wear and tear, okay? But I got this at Ross, and it's very comfortable to stand on whenever you're washing the dishes. And so I had 3 of these, but the other 2 I gave to my mom so she can have one, because she's always cooking. So she has one in front of her stove, and then she has one in front of her sink, and the other one I just left for myself. But I'm actually thinking to replace these. I want red ones that pop, because I was thinking of getting a black lined rug that goes on the floor, and then have these red ones in front of the places that I actually stand. And so I was actually thinking to look into buying that, and I want to go to Ross for it. So this vlog is going to be, or vlog, not blog, is going to be just me cleaning. Okay, so we also have my bathroom area. We also have my bathroom area. I kind of want to get this cleaned. the mirror basically needs to just be clean, because you can tell like there's like the white, and it's like no matter how many times I clean the mirror, there's always going to be something on the mirror. And I'm going to get the little stickers. I'm going to take them off. I liked them when I first put them on, but now I don't really care for it. So hi guys, I'm going to go ahead and take that. But I kind of have been paying attention to the things that I use and the things that I don't use, and I need more organization, things like shelves and stuff in here. And I have like a blank wall over here, and I want to remove this, and I want to put shelves here, and then I want to over here put where the actual like sink, on the side of the sink, I want to put that rack over here. So I kind of want to move things around just a little, so it can like meet my needs. I don't know exactly when I will be doing it, but oh, you can see the black now. Oh, I mean, it looks horrible, but it's from the black soap. So I don't know if I remember telling y'all before, but y'all can see like whenever we brush our teeth, like stuff gets on there, and it's just like the black soap makes it look so disgusting. And of course the hair is for me because, you know, but it's still like I plan on cleaning everything in here today. The bathroom is dirty as well, but the toys are what I was talking about the last time. I need to get those toys out of here. I want to be able to like clean them with Clorox and then not sit in the Clorox. They still be rinsed out. So that's what I actually want to do. And then, of course, just the simple stuff. So walkie thing? No, it's not a walkie. Tripod, handheld, tripod. Words. I do not know terminology for everything that I do. I do have to do my kids' bathroom as well, but I need to talk to them first. Right now, the reason why I am not going to be doing their bathroom. Oh, I was like, oh my God, there's somebody behind me. My son's grandma got me 2 of those for my birthday, and they're just so adorable. But I want to do their bathroom, but currently we cannot do their bathroom because the bathroom is leaking. So the neighbors upstairs there's a problem, okay, y'all? So the neighbors upstairs, every time they shower, it leaks in our bathroom. Okay, so every time they shower upstairs, there's 2 bathrooms. So every time they shower upstairs, it leaks into our bathroom, and our ceiling is leaking. Granted, it is leaking into our tub, so it's not like a mess, but it's still something that's happening. So they are planning on coming over and knocking out the ceiling, and I don't want to organize stuff, make it all nice, if they're gonna come in and like do that. So when we first moved in, our wall has actually fallen out. So like the bottom part of the tub is like the tile is white, and then the top is like a tan pink that they had in there, which I wish they just replaced everything with white, but because we're in apartments, it's like we have no say in what they do. So it's kind of like, so anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning. I have a lot of things that I want to get done because it is during my lunchtime right now, and I am working from home, which is why I'm just in a t-shirt and y'all cannot see the bottom, okay? But I am going to go ahead and start cleaning because I need to take advantage. But I want to do the unboxing because I have been wanting to do this unboxing for like 4 days now, guys. I had got it Saturday and today is Wednesday, and it's been killing me. I ain't gonna lie. I'm like, I don't want to unbox it because if I unbox it, I want to make coffee, and if I make coffee, I gotta buy coffee. So I'm like, I can't unbox it, not make coffee, because it's gonna eat at me. So I didn't do it. So I guess let's go ahead and just clean first because I don't have any room. I don't want to clean. I want to make coffee. All right, bye. Okay, so I was thinking, because I'm parlaying, I don't want you to think I'm not. I don't have a dining table. I do have shelves, and I'm looking to find a microwave like shelf to put. If I don't want everything on my counter, so I want a coffee bar, but the way the shelf is, like, I would have to have either the microwave on the bar or have the coffee machine on the bar. And I don't know if I want the coffee machine up there. And then I also still haven't had my bar. So I want the machine to be on like a tray. And next to the tray, or like not even a tray, like have like a little area next to it where it has like the storage, where it has like the sugar, the creamer, the brown sugar, and like the pumps, because I ordered some pumps of like for like the syrup and stuff. But I don't know where I would put it, because this is what I'm looking at. Okay, so you see how this is already on like the bar area? It would be facing me, so the back of it would be hanging over. I don't want the coffee machine to be facing that way. I want it to be facing this way, and because the plug is over here, and plus I'm in the kitchen. It's supposed to be in the kitchen. And then instead of me having like the bar stools on the other side, I'm removing the bar stools, and I'm gonna actually put a shelf right there. And yeah, I have like a whole decoration thing in my mind for like the living room right now, because it's like basically like as if I'm moving back in, because I'm finally taking my time and paying attention to my home, because I was just like working and I'm like, I'll just pay attention to it later. And it's already been a year that I've been here. And so now I'm like, what am I going to do? So the machine, the microwave is right here. And if I put it on top, again, it will be the same thing as you see the back of the microwave, which honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think I care as much as I'm trying to make it seem like I do. So if I put the coffee machine right there, I could just scoot it over. The cord could just fall over the counter, and it won't be too much in the way. And I could either put the bar, the things to make the coffee right down here, and I won't have my counter space, because I really don't use the counter space besides for the stuff that I have right now. Let me see. Okay, so this is what I have it for. And it just holds, I literally just did this. It has my warmer, which I can always just put it in the middle or closer this way. You would see the back of the coffee machine here. And of course that stuff right there would just, you know, candy and pins and little tools, that would be gone, and I would just have to get this stuff out the way. So it's really not like it's much. I think I just figured out what I'm gonna do. All right, so I'm gonna leave the coffee machine up here. We're gonna do the unboxing, putting up there, and then whenever I have all the things for my coffee bar, it's gonna go here. Okay, and then because I need to maximize my counter space, I'm gonna go ahead and put the microwave on the top so that I can have microwave space back here. And then if it's bothering me, because I can see the back of it, I can always do like some kind of like drop down curtains or something from the top. The underneath the counter, what I was thinking is I was going to have the little hooks that, do y'all see my hand? The little hooks that go right here. And I'm also going to have the under cabinet lights that are like the either the motion sensor or the ones that go on whenever all the lights are out. So there would always be light in my kitchen, because usually at night I have my light on over there, and if I have the light here, I think it'll be a little bit better for me. And I can always do like a curtain or something on the sides, or, you know, just so like a decoration, so it won't draw so much attention to the, can y'all see my Harry Potter stuff over there? Can y'all see? That's my Harry, like that's the pictures and stuff, but that shelf right there is my Harry Potter shelf. Y'all can see my little Funko Pops. My hand is shaking. But yeah, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rearrange everything right here, and then I will just figure out what I'm gonna do about the space, because I really want more counter space, because this is literally all I have right here to like prep for the food. I don't do anything on the other side of the kitchen, because I have the microwave, the stove. I don't even put anything over here, which maybe the spoon whenever I'm cooking, and then the air fryer. So we'll see. We'll see how much I can get done, because I done talked to y'all already a lot. Okay, so I went ahead and changed clothes. Put on it's a long dress. It goes all the way down to the bottom. It's one of those, it used to have straps and I took them off, but it's one of those things where like you've had the dress for so long, you're like, you don't care what it looks like. So I'm gonna start getting dressed. Starting to clean.
Got me up all night. All I'm singing is love songs. She got me up all night. Constant drinking and love songs. She got me up all night. Down and out with these love songs. She got me up all night. Drowning out with these love songs.
She got me up all night. All I'm singing is love songs. She got me up all night. Constant drinking and love songs. She got me up all night. Down and out with these love songs. She got me open all night. Got me open all night. Back then I was a college kid, big man on campus running all of it. Started seeing around all the clubs, bars and shit. Red chucks and jeans on, too cool to be bothered with. Damn, you on a power trip, and you knew you could at me if you wanted, cause I already dropped the hint. So you were playing hard to get. I knew the game, so I played along with it. I knew the game, didn't drop the ball with it. I knew the way I had to get involved with it. I knew you weren't falling for that drama shit, so I played it cool, sat back and calm my shit. And then I sang a song and did my thing when you came home with me. And we got together, I never felt better, we'll face any weather, oh. Would you believe me if I said I'm in love? Baby, I want you to want me. Would you believe me if I said I'm in love? Baby, I want you.
And we are.
Oh, got me up all night.
We are.
Oh, all I'm singing is love songs.
We are.
Oh, got me up all night.
We are.
She got me.
We are.
She got me. She got me. Oh, yeah. No. You got me feeling things I've never felt, yeah. You got me feeling things I've never dealt with. Just kiss my lips, come here, I'll bite it. I just want you to motherfucking ride it. Would you believe me if I said I'm in love? Baby, I want you to want me. Would you believe me if I said I'm in love? Baby, I want you.
And we are.
Whoa, got me up all night.
We are.
Oh, all I'm singing is love songs.
We are.
Whoa, got me up all night.
We are.
She got me,
We are.
yeah, she got me.
She got me up all night. All I'm singing is love songs. She got me up all night. Constant drinking and love songs. She got me up all night. Down and out with these love songs. She got me up all night. Drowning out with these love songs. She got me up all night. All I'm singing is love songs. She got me up all night. Concentrating in love songs. She got me up all night. Down and out these love songs. She got me up all night. Drowning out these love songs. She got me up all night.
Some point in time, a man just have to be a man, you know what I mean? Face up to your emotions. You really check for a woman like she know you check for her. No matter if your friend them gonna laugh, or them gonna say you whipped or whatever. At the end of the day, you're the only one who's gonna be lonely, you understand?
Cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Oh, only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. Oh, and you let her go. Why did you let her go? Why did you let her go? Staring at an empty glass, hoping one day you'll make a dream last. But dreams come slow and they go so fast. See how when you close your eyes, maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely die. Oh, oh. Cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. Oh, only know you've been high when you're feeling low.
Okay, so I got somewhat all of it done. I am on my lunch break, so I couldn't really finish everything, so I am going to have to come back to it. But so far, this is what it looks like. So I have a lot more counter space. This is where I wanted it. I had to reset the time. Y'all see what I was talking about, where I'm not going to have a lot of view going out that way? I don't really do much, so I was thinking like having like a curtain on the opposite side and have it just like drape over the corner so I can still see through the middle, and have it on both sides. And I'll just have to show y'all that whenever I get the shelf, because I have to have a shelf big enough to go, not all the way up to the top, but enough so I can have it over there on the floor. I will show y'all that later whenever I go shopping for it. And then this right here, I haven't unboxed it yet, so I am going to try and unbox it tonight. I have to go back to work, but so far this side of the counter is a lot better than how I was imagining it. Actually, nothing on a counter is actually so much better. I'm gonna have to put the candy up. That I'm gonna leave there. The warmer and the candle I'm gonna leave there in the corner. The candy I'm going to put up, but I was thinking to find a matching set for the flavored water, the sugar. I have brown sugar that I put on the counter, and then my syrup tray, which right here is where I'm going to put the coffee tray stuff. And then if y'all haven't noticed, there's like white everywhere, and I have like, I don't want bugs. I don't have them, but I don't want them. When I first moved here, I had roaches in all sizes and colors, and it freaked me out. And so that white stuff is borax. I actually found out from a friend that if you put borax down, you don't have roaches. And you know, and then also the silverfish or whatever, the little, they look like caterpillars with little stingies on the bottom. But I haven't had any in almost a year that I've been here. When I first moved here, we put that down. In like maybe a week or two, they were gone. We put it outside the front door, like all around the baseboards, everywhere. And I can tell you right now, we don't have roaches, and that stuff works. So if you are looking for something for roaches or stuff like that, I would recommend borax. And I don't know if these things work. In my mind, they do. But I put them underneath the oven or the stove, the microwave, in the cabinets, everywhere. So they are, you know, everywhere. So if y'all do see those, that's because I'd rather y'all see that than see roaches in my house. Okay, but anyway, So this little thing right here, I did get from the Dollar Tree some years ago, and they still have them, I believe, but I think they have them in like gold now. And I'm gonna stick to black, and so I'm probably gonna get more of those. But for these right here, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do. So I talked to my mom. She has some jars, and she said she was gonna get them for me. I have to actually text her right now so she won't forget. But she said she's gonna get them and then bring them to me today. And then this side is gonna be the coffee machine, and I think I'm gonna go today and go get some stuff to make the coffee bar area. And then I need the y'all know where the what is it called? For the paper towels, that little rack, because as soon as you touch it, it just falls over and it drives me nuts. So I'm gonna find the black one, because the black is the theme in here, black and red. And I actually bought some more utensils because I don't know if you could tell, but they're kind of like getting old. But I went and bought some more red ones and some knife sets and stuff like that. My job is, let me flip y'all over. So my job is actually giving me a 5-year. I went to the kitchen to make me something to drink. That was the whole purpose of going to the kitchen actually today. Before I started cleaning, I was trying to give me something to drink. A bitch was thirsty, okay? But my job gave a gift for being there for 5 years, and you have the option of, so my job, they give you a gift for being there for 5 years. And for the 5th year, they have the option of a bread maker. They had the option of a espresso machine, but since I just got this one, I was like, I don't need the espresso machine because that was the one that I was gonna get. They have a knife set, which wasn't one of the options, and they have a really nice blender that came with just putting this in my cup. But they had like workout gear, backpacks, they had this purse, they had watches, like really nice expensive watches. And whenever I looked up the brand of the blender that I had got, it was like a good $80. So well, I got the blender. It comes with an actual like blending cup and like a Ninja. It comes with different stuff. So whenever I get it, which I'm supposed to be getting it towards the end of October, so whenever I get it, I will go ahead and show y'all because it's being mailed to me, and y'all, I'm excited. I did, however, tell myself that I was going to do more at buying, I call them widgets, but they're not, I don't know if that's because I make up stuff, because I make up words, but I'm going to be doing better as buying handy stuff for like the kitchen and the bathroom. So I want a few things, and if y'all are actually curious of all the things that I've been doing, I've been ordering stuff on my Amazon list, and in the description down below, there is a affiliate link that's going to send you over. It's going to be all the things that I have on my wish list, and also things that I have planned on, which is like to upgrade the house. And then I should be adding my Amazon storefront as well, so keep a lookout for that. But everything that I'm going to be showing, I will be having the link in the description down below. I should have the microwave already in there, and then I'm going to look for this Hamilton Beach so that y'all can actually see exactly which one it is. And the warmer, somebody had asked me about the warmer. I had got it at Walmart. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but I had got it at Walmart, and it reminded me of like Harry Potter, because you know how Harry Potter has like the little chimney fireplaces or whatever, and I'm like in love with Harry Potter. So that's the reason why I got it. But let me go ahead and clock back into work because I'm fucking shit up. Okay? I'm just joking.
Some point in time, a man just have to be a man, you know what I mean? Face up to your emotions. Really check for a woman like she know you check for her. I'm gonna tell if your friend them gonna laugh, or them gonna say you whipped or whatever. At the end of the day, you're the only one who's gonna be lonely, you understand?
Cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Oh, know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. Oh, and you let her go. Why did you let her go? Why did you let her go? Staring at an empty glass, hoping one day you'll make a dream last. But dreams come slow and they go so fast. See how when you close your eyes, maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely die. Oh, oh. Cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. Oh, only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Staring at the ceiling in the dark, same old empty feeling in your heart. Love comes slow and it goes so fast. Oh baby, yeah, you see her when you go to sleep. Never to touch and never to keep. Cause you miss her so much and you dive too deep. Oh yes, cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. You let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. You let her go. And you let her go.
That I use is green, white, and it looks reversed in the camera, so if it is reversed, I'll just put on screen, so you can actually see the actual wording of it.
You let her go. You let her go. Oh, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go.
So it doesn't fill it up all the way, which I was kind of nervous about because I want coffee, but I want more creamer than I do coffee. So that is what it looks like.
Oh yeah, oh you only need the light when it's burning low. And you only miss the sun when it starts to snow. You only know you love her when you let her go. Oh, oh, oh. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. And only know you love her, you love her, you love her, you love her, and you let her go. Oh, only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go.
Everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs a song, a beautiful melody. When the nights are long, 'cause there is no guarantee that this life is easy. Yeah, when my world is falling apart, when there's no light to break up the dark, that's when when I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when when I look at you. When I look at you, I seek forgiveness. I see the truth. You love me for who I am, like the stars hold the moon, right there where they belong. And I know I'm not alone. Yeah, when my world is falling apart, when there's no light to break up the dark, that's when when I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when when I look at you. You appear just like a dream to me, just like kaleidoscope colors that cover me. All I need, every breath that I breathe. Don't you know you're beautiful? Yeah, yeah, yeah. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when when I look at you. When I look at you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you appear just like a dream to me. You make it look like it's magic, oh, 'cause I see nobody but you. I'm never confused. Hey, yeah, I'm so used to being used. So I love when you call. Oh, I love it, oh, I love it. 'Cause I hate when the moment's expected. So I'ma care for you. I'ma care for you. Oh, 'cause girl, you're perfect. You're always worth it. You deserve it. The way you work it. you earned it. Girl, you earned it. Oh, no, 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 no. You know our love would be tragic. Oh, so you don't pay it no mind. We live with no lies. Oh no, no, you're my favorite kind of night. So I love when you call and oh, I love it. 'Cause I hate when the moment's expected. So I'ma care for you. I'ma care for you. Oh, 'cause girl, you're perfect. You're always worth it. And you deserve it. The way you work it. 'Cause girl, you earned it. Girl, you earned it. Oh, no, no. I don't like the way he's looking at you. I'm starting to think you want him too. Oh no, am I crazy? Have I lost you? Even though I know you love me, can't help it. I turn my cheek music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm getting ready to face you. You can call me obsessed. It's not your fault that they other. I mean no disrespect. It's my right to be hellish. I still get jealous. You're too sexy, beautiful. Everybody wants a taste. That's why I still get jealous. You're too sexy, beautiful. Everybody wants a taste. That's why I still get jealous. I wish you didn't have to post it all. I wish you'd save a little bit just for me. Oh no, protective or possessive, yeah. Call it passive or aggressive. I turn my cheek music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm getting ready to face you. You can call me obsessed. It's not your fault that they other. I mean no disrespect. It's my right to be hellish. I still get jealous. You're too sexy, beautiful. Everybody wants a taste. That's why I still get jealous. You're too sexy, beautiful. Everybody wants a taste. That's why I still get jealous. You're the only one invited. Said there's no one else but you. Oh, oh, 'cause you know I get excited, yeah. When you get jealous too, I turn my cheek music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm turning ready to face you. You can call me obsessed. It's not your fault that they other. I mean no disrespect. It's my right to be hellish. I still get jealous. If you leave this time, I fear that you'll be gone for good. So I hold on like leaves in fall to what is love. Said a father left her young and he said he'll be back with that same tone that you just said you'll stay forever with. Oh, it's seems that all the autumn leaves have fallen. I feel like you're the only reason for it. All the things you do, 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 all the things you do. I've been bleeding in your silence. I feel safer in your violence. I hold on like leaves and fall to what is left. Before I sleep, I talk to God. He must be mad with me, it's coming. I'm confused who I'll spend my forever with. Oh, it seems that all the autumn leaves are falling.